but it was making noise, like a squeaking, annoying type of noise when my engine was running. So I got an oil change a few days ago. Come to find out, um, I sprayed some WD-40 on my belt. I thought it was that kind of like a banging slash, um, squeaky noise, kind of like my dryer was doing. I made a dryer video when I had to fix the roller wheels of my dryer, and guess what? On the car, what it was? This pulley right here. You hear that? And also, you see all that broken stuff in there. So this was on the idle belt right there, and that pulley was there, and that's the one that go at the bottom of it, loops at the bottom. But every time my car was on, that's what I heard. It was just rattle. So my mechanic verified it, like, yep, need to change your pulley. So that's the project for today. So here's the new pulley that I brought from not AutoZone, but O'Reilly's. I think it was like 24 bucks or something like that. See, that's that's new one, that's the old one. So no noise. See that? No noise. So going to change that out. And how I was doing that, a couple of guys were making videos on it, but some of them didn't specifically say, what they did step by step. So I'm gonna do that. So the first thing I needed to do, and I got this from a few guys, was I didn't even have to take my belt all the way off. You just have to release some of the tension to take the belt off the pulley. Now, with a 2007 Dodge Charger, the way you do that is that little silver piece right there, down at the bottom hole right there is a little hole, and so they were saying like a 3/8 and everything like that. I actually got one of these serpentine belt toolkits today, and I actually just used this part. So this square part by itself fit right in that hole, and I pushed it up, and that released the tension for me to take the belt off that pulley that I'm replacing. So once again, this was a part that a lot of guys wasn't saying how they were doing it, and that's all I use. They say it's a 3/8, but it just comes with it's actually the piece that just connects, it just connects to that, and that fit in there perfectly. That released the tension. I put this piece on there to, that's the bolt that held the pulley, and I used that piece to unscrew the bolt, and gave it some unscrews, and I unscrewed the rest with my hand, and that popped right on off. I'll show you the after once I put it on.